Hello friends, welcome to Advanced Learning Tutorial. In this video, I am going to show you how to write in multiple line in the same cell in Excel, or how to break the line in the same cell in Excel. For example, this is considered as a sale, and I want to write first of all the company name, and below the company name I want to write the address. So if press the enter, it will go to the next cell. It means that I cannot write below the company name. But there is a very simple shortcut keys that you can use and write below the line. It means you can write in the second line in the same cell. So first of all, you have to press the F2, or you can double click here in order to edit the cell. Then from keyboard you press Alt plus Enter, and now you can write in the next line in the same cell, and here I can write the address. So this shortcut key Alt plus Enter is very useful in many cases. Thank you for watching.